Okay, after a quick break, I decided that this looked simple enough and I don't have to hook it up to my shop air, but I figured I'd show how this sets up. The directions actually look terrible. So there's just a picture. The same picture I showed in the last part of the video, or the last video. Hopefully I'll stitch these together so it'll look like one video. So for this section, what you're going to require is an 8 mil wrench or socket that will be able to go deep enough to put these on. So an 8 mil deep. I'm just going to do that one finger tight. And then for the hose clamps, you're going to need a number 2 Phillips, or the star screwdriver, as my kids call it. So just make sure that this is nice and snug on here. It is what's going to hold your air dryer. So then that looks like it has a screw right there. Perfect. And then in the picture, it shows the in on this side, the out on that side, that goes down to the bottom. So what I'll do is I'll put the take off the caps. And I will use the provided, I'm guessing, Teflon tape. It feels really thick for Teflon tape. So just go around a couple of times so it's got a good seal. It's just air, it's not a gas or anything. So it's not too big of a deal if it leaks, and I've got a big enough air compressor that it will compensate for anything. So you'll also need whatever size this is. I'll just go over and grab it. Yep. It's a 14 mil wrench just to snug that guy up. We'll do the same on the inside. You'll probably hear the dogs playing in the background. And then what I'm doing here when I'm going back around it, I'm just kind of tucking it into the threads, and I'm making sure that there's nothing in here that's going to get sucked into the machine itself. So it's nice and clean before it goes in. Okay, and then this one, I don't know what this little air inlet's for, but they include it, so I'm going to hook it up. And this one already has a liquid Teflon, it looks like, on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that one in. And of course it's a different size than the 14. So it is a 13 or a half inch. So then that, if I don't break it, is it right there. So I'll go ahead and mount this on here right now. And so this says in on it. So this is going to come from Shop Air, which again I don't have running right now. This is just a shark bite fitting, so I don't know what the best way. This is a movable fitting, which is handy. It's pretty cold here. I'm not sure if you can see the ice in my beard. You probably saw it more on the last video, or the last part of this video, depending on how this goes. Hopefully this doesn't shatter the plastic pipe. So that'll go there. That's fun. And then this one here is the one that requires hose clamps. So it includes 3 hose clamps in this kit. So we'll require 2 for this. And then it's just a number 2 Phillips. Oh, I'm probably blocking a shot there. I am not having any luck with this guy. Okay. That's nice and tight. And then I have lots of space on that side. So put the hose clamp on. And put that on here. And then just tighten this guy down here. So this is all included in the kit, which is super handy. And then I will probably do a product review once I've used it a few times, just to see how it's going. So then, yeah, all that I have left is one that I can hook onto my shop air. And that's pretty much it for setting up the air on the back of the plasma cutter. So just so you know, again, 14 mil, 13 mil, 8 mil, and number 2 Phillips, and you will be good to set that up. Thanks for joining my channel, and if you liked the content, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.